Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make cute little basket using paper cup. Here we are going to make multiple cut and using this jute rope we are going to braid it till the top. Now take this plastic bottle and cut a small portion. We are going to make the handle, paste it on the top. Now take a tissue paper and make multiple cut. We are going to make the lace design. You can also make flowers using mask and it's ready. As you can see, we're going to paste these green sticks around it, cover the base, and then you can use this white color of thread, or in place of this you can change it and use jute rope and braid it till the top. Now you can also put some pearls for decoration. Let's make the handle and we're going to paste it around the waist, and look how pretty this is looking. Take this paper cup and we are going to make multiple cut. After this we are going to spread it. Now take a jute rope or different color of thread and braid it till the top and make the basket. Now you can add more lace on the top and keep it aside. After this we are going to make some wheels. We are making a tricycle. So make the wheels and put the sticks at the center, and look, it's ready. After this we are going to put all of them together, put the basket on the top of it, and look how pretty this decor piece is looking. You can put flower pot inside it and you can use it for home decoration, and look how beautiful this is looking. We are going to make the basket shape, so braid the rope like we're doing here. Let's make the handle, and look, your beautiful mini handbag is ready. We are going to recycle this plastic cup. So make multiple cut, and using this jute rope we are going to braid it till the top, put it on those cuffs, and it's ready. Now cut the extra part using scissors. You can also cover it on the top and it's ready. For the handle you can bend this twig and paste it inside, put some flowers, and look how beautiful this basket is looking. We're going to make this beautiful basket out of some old cards. Let's get started. As you can see, we're going to fold two cards together and tuck it inside and make these shapes. Now we're going to put all of them one after another and make the side. Similarly, we're going to cover it and make the base of the basket. Now you can cover it using some thread or jute rope, and it's ready. We are going to take this jute fabric and remove some threads. After this we are going to roll it and your flower is ready. So paste it at the base, put some pearls, and it's ready. We are going to paste some green wires around it and then braid it using these colorful rope, and look, it is ready. You can put some toffees inside. Thank you so much for watching this video.